How to clean up Gmail inbox. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily clean up your Gmail inbox quickly. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to your Gmail application and make sure you are logged into account. Now the easiest way to do this is just head over to your search bar and simply search in for this is unread. So it will basically show all of the unread messages or mails on your Gmail application from the previous days. So you can basically choose from the time frame as well. So you can just tap on this date button over here and choose. So let's say I want to clean up all the mails which are older than a month. So I'll simply tap on this, and just like that it will show me all of the mails which are older than a month. So now what I will be doing is simply select all of these mails and simply tap on this raid, and so that way you don't have to worry about your messages being unread. And once you do all of that, now basically just select all of that once again just like this, and you can actually either archive or delete it. So if you don't find them important, you can basically delete it. So if you find them important, so if you want to look back to them after some time, then you can just archive them by simply tapping on this download icon over here. So for now I will simply delete it just like this, and it should be successfully deleted. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.